Good day, everyone. It's an honor to welcome you all to this incredible gathering where we unite industry leaders, policymakers, enthusiasts, developers, entrepreneurs, and investors. Today, we are excited to launch Chain React, the inaugural event of Philippine Blockchain Week's new conference series, PBWx. Hosted in the vibrant city of Davao, it is set to be a catalyst for transformative discussions and networking opportunities. Thank you for being here with us today. Let's embark on this journey together, unlocking the transformative power of blockchain and building a brighter, more connected future for all Filipinos. Thank you so much.
Distinguished guests, fellow blockchain enthusiasts, friends from the Philippines and beyond. It's an honor to address you here today at the Philippines Blockchain Week 2024. As we gather here in vibrant Davao, I'm reminded of the incredible journey that has brought us together and the exciting future that lies ahead for blockchain technology in this region.
The Department of Information and Communications Technology is one with you in advancing blockchain adoption in the Philippines. The DICT is fully committed to realize these goals and will continue to work closely with the industry in fulfilling the directives of the President. With continued collaboration and innovation, we are poised to build a resilient, inclusive, and dynamic digital nation. Isang bayang digital sa bagong Pilipinas.
I hope that you, if you see this video in the future, I know you're there. I know that you're watching this in the future. It's a week from now, it's a year from now, but I hope that you come and engage with PBWx. We have 3 more events this year in 2024, and with the way things are going, I imagine this will be a staple and a main foundational piece of this industry in this country, and I love this country and I love the Filipino people and the culture. So I look forward to seeing you at the next PBWx, and until then, have a very happy day.